Don't know where to put all your extra stuff while golfing? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and you have to check out this golf cart storage bag from 10LOL. You guys, this bag is huge. It's the size of the whole rear seat, so you have so much storage for literally anything that you wanted to put in there. It even has 3 mesh pockets for some of your smaller items. It straps around the armrest bars and it stays in place, even on rough cart paths or hilly courses. It's got double waterproof zippers that slide smoothly and Velcro to help keep everything secure. We've even placed our mid-size cooler in here, and even though it doesn't zip, it still stays in place because of how deep this bag is. Plus, it's made out of a waterproof coated fabric, so you don't have to worry about all your stuff getting wet even if it starts to rain. We have this installed on our EasyGo golf cart, and we love the fact that we don't have to completely take it off when we have passengers in the rear seat. You just loosen the straps and push the bag to the back to lift up your seat. This has honestly been so useful every time we go golfing, and we would highly recommend this. And that's our point of view.